Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. This is Miss Kamal Sumer and today we are going to continue division. By the end of this lesson, learners will be able to find out which numbers are exactly divisible and which numbers have a remainder when divided by the given number. Let's see today's plan. In introduction, first of all, there is going to be explanation about the numbers exactly divisible and the numbers having remainder. After it, there is going to be guided practice and then independent practice will be given as homework. In the end, digital resources will be shared. As we learned about division in our previous lesson that division is the math process of taking a number and dividing or breaking into smaller equal parts. A remainder is a number which is an extra left over after you divide evenly. You will not always have a remainder when you divide. In some cases, the division problem will end up with nothing left over. It means the given number is exactly divided, is exactly divisible. Let's understand the concept of having remainder and exactly divisible. 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. How? Because 2 times 6 is equal to 12. It means that 12 is exactly divisible by 2. 12 comes in 2 times table and nothing is left over. Nothing is remaining. It is exactly divided. On the other hand, if I divide 13 by 2, then it is not exactly divisible. How? Because 13 doesn't come in 2 times table. 2 times 6 is equal to 12, then 13 minus 12 is equal to 1. It means 1 is left over, 1 is remaining here. So, remainder is 1. So, a number which doesn't come in that timetable, then definitely there would be some remainder. Let's watch a video to consolidate the concept of remainder.
Share the apples equally between the children. There are 7 apples. The children have an equal number of apples. They each have 3 apples. There is 1 apple left. 7 divided by 2 is equal to 3 with 1 remainder. We can write this division equation. The result is called the quotient. The part left over is called the remainder. We read the equation as 7 divide 2 equals 3 remainder 1. Share the chocolates equally among the plates. There are 11 chocolates. Let's share them. There are 3 chocolates on each plate. There are 2 chocolates remaining. We can write this equation. 11 divide 3 equals 3 remainder 2. Divide the dots equally into 4 groups. What is the remainder? There are 30 dots. We can place them equally into 4 groups, with 7 dots in each group. There are 2 dots remaining. 30 divide 4 equals 7 remainder 2.
Today, we will learn to solve exercise 6 but with different numbers. 64, 567, 733, 943. Which of the numbers shown can be divided exactly by 4 and have a remainder of 3 when divided by 4? Let's solve the first one. 64 divided by 4. Remember, we always start division from left hand side. Let's start. In 4 times table, 6 doesn't come. So the smaller number is 4. 4 times 1 is 4. 6 minus 4, remaining is 2. Put 2 with the next number, it becomes 24. 4 times what is 24? 4 times 6 is 24. 24 minus 24 is 0. It means there is nothing left over. So there is no remainder. Nothing is remaining. 567 divided by 4. Let's see, is it exactly divisible or it would have some remainder? In 4 times table, 5 doesn't come. So smaller number is 4. 4 times 1 is 4. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. 1 will go with the next number. It has now become 16. In 4 times table, 16 comes. So yes, 4 times 4 is equal to 16. Write 16 down. 16 minus 16, nothing is left. So there is nothing to go with next number. Now the next digit is 7. In 4 times table, 7 doesn't come. So the smaller number which comes is 4. 4 times 1 is 4. Now let's subtract. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. Now where this 3 will go? There is no other number to go with. So 3 is remainder. 3 is remaining. Which means that 567 is not exactly divisible by 4. It has remainder. Something is left over here. Will 733 be exactly divisible or will it have remainder? Let's check it out. 7 doesn't come in 4 times table. So the smaller number which comes is 4. 4 times 1 is 4. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. 3 will go with the next number which has now become 33. 33 doesn't come in 4 times table. The smaller number which comes is 32. Write 32 down. 4 times what is 32? 4 times 8 is 32. Write 8 up. Now subtract. 33 minus 32 is equal to 1. 1 will go with the next number which has now become 13. In 4 times table, 13 doesn't come. The smaller number which comes is 12. 4 times 3 is 12. Now 13 minus 12 is equal to 1. 1 is remainder. So it means that 733 is not exactly divisible by 4. Let's find out if 943 will have any remainder or not. 9 doesn't come in 4 times table. The smaller number which comes is 8. 4 times what is 8? 4 times 2 is 8. Write 8 down, 2 up. Now let's do subtraction. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. Write 1 with the next number which has now become 14. 14 doesn't come. So the smaller number which comes is 12. 4 times 3 is equal to 12. 12 down, 3 up. 14 minus 12 is equal to 2. So write 2 with the next number which has now become 23. So 23 doesn't come in 4 times table. The smaller number which comes is 20. 4 times 5 is equal to 20. Now do subtraction here. 23 minus 20 is equal to 3. So 3 is remainder. It means 943 is not exactly divisible by 4 because it has something left over. It has remainder. It's time to write answer statements. So the part A of this question was, which number is divided exactly by 4? So the answer is 64 is divided exactly by 4. Part B was, which numbers have a remainder of 3 when divided by 4? So as we solved and found that 567 and 943 have a remainder of 3 when divided by 4. We will not write about 733 in any of these answer statements because it's neither exactly divisible nor it has a remainder of 3. So that is why don't mention it any of these answer statement. Now it's time to do an independent practice. Follow the steps which I told you and do exercise 6 of page number 13 in your maths exercise book. Take the snapshot and turn them in. These are the recommended digital resources for the further clarification of the taught concepts. Must go through them. That's enough for today. See you in next lesson. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Comment down and let me know which lessons you want me to cover in my upcoming videos. Take care.